Hi, I'm Dr. Holah. I'm going to tell you a little bit about IB Bio HL, which is year 2 in the IB Bio series. So if you're wondering if you should take this class, you really love biology, it's something that you'd like to know more about, and you've taken IB Bio SL as a junior. So this is year 2 in a series. And maybe you're interested in college in potentially studying biology or maybe a health-related field. Is it a difficult class? What is the workload like? It is an HL IB class, so yeah, we're learning college level material and the class does move pretty quickly to get ready for the test in May. You do have homework on a regular basis. It's not that much, but it is a couple of pages of reading with some notes. So there is a very kind of regular format that we follow. And the goal, of course, is to do well on the IB test in May, which covers 2 years worth of material, your SL and your HL. And part of your grade is also writing an internal assessment paper, which is basically writing up a lab that you design. And it's very similar to the format that you've done in SL. The benefits of taking HL is students usually do well on the IB test, and so often they're entering college with credit in bio, and they're often able to bypass that large intro bio class that a lot of people take as a freshman, which is great because then you can take more interesting classes earlier, and you basically have a leg up on sort of the upperclassmen because you're able to do stuff that the underclassmen are not able to do. And it goes without saying that you are more prepared for your college biology classes. And you learn really cool stuff. So what kinds of things do we learn that weren't covered in SL Bio? So we do advanced topics in genetics, neurobiology, cell biology. There's also human physiology units that you don't cover in SL, but we cover in HL, such as the specifics on antibody production, your excretion system, human reproduction, muscles and movement, and also advanced topics in circulatory and digestive systems. We take a much deeper dive into topics that you covered in SL, such as the biochemical pathways of respiration and photosynthesis. We go into a more in-depth look at that aspect of biochemistry, and as well as topics in genetics and protein synthesis. We're also able to review some of the SL review, the material that you covered, not a huge amount, but we are able to review some before the test. We do a lot of hands-on kinds of activities, and biology is interesting just because it's related so much to the real world. So I do try to make as many connections as possible to the real world. And one of the experiences that we've been able to do in HL Bio, which is related to the real world, is we've been able to observe a surgery done with the Da Vinci robotic arms at Nova Fairfax Hospital. So basically, we get to watch a surgery and talk to the surgeon, and ask him questions, which has been really, really cool. And then students have been able to tour the facilities at Aztec, the Advanced Surgical Center, and practice with the tools that real surgeons use to get good at their techniques. After the test, we do a senior project, and it's been many different things, but students usually like the senior project because we've done interesting things like write screenplays for a zombie-type pathogen. We've busted myths surrounding the COVID-19 vaccine, and we've created recipes using insects because we may at some point become an insect-eating nation. We may not have a choice. So anyway, those are some of the interesting projects that we've done, and that's a little bit about HL Bio. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.